Kids, today is Sunday. Sunday is a cleaning day. I've cleaned the entire home. You have to clean your room today. We can help you. You're right, Anna. Let's clean kids' room now. Kids, I have something exciting for you. Let's do a makeover of our home and let it look pretty. What say? Wow! Yes, Mom! I am so excited to give a makeover to my room. I'm so bored looking at the same structure again and again. Do you have any idea? Yes, little Elsa. I have a brilliant idea. First, we need to clean the entire room very neatly. With water, with dusting and vacuum cleaner, and then we can put some plants, put some lights, and your room will brighten up. I'm thinking let's do it for all our rooms. Your room, my room, and the big hall. We all can do it together. So now, kids, let's start cleaning our room. I got white lights for the kids' room. It will look good. And I got yellow lights for the kids' room. Let's do one thing. You put white light and I'll put this yellow light. And together it will brighten their room. We'll feel happy. You do it from that side and I'll do it from this side. Okay? Let's begin. Good idea, Elsa. Let's do it. Finally, we have renovated the kids' room. It's looking so pretty. The lights are looking so pretty. Let's call the kids. Kids, we have made over your room. Come fast. Wow, our room is looking so lit up and bright. It is better than I had imagined. Thank you, Mom. It is amazing. We loved our room. Thank you. It is our room's turn. Looking at your room, it was amazing. So I have put lights here as well as in the hall. Let's see how it looks in our room. Elsa, let's switch on the lights and see how our room looks. Wow, our room is looking so nice. It's so bright. We should have done it earlier. The makeover is superb. And finally, it's our living room time. I've already put lights here. Let's see how it looks here now. Elsa, can you please switch on the lights and let's see how it looks? Wow! This light looks amazing in our living room as well. This was expected. Our room is already bright and this light just enhances it. And we have beautifully renovated our home. I'm so happy we constructively used our Sunday.